Hi, my name is Shingo, and today I will be reading The Referee, Zaya Chakma. This supergirl has been chasing her dream ever since she was a young girl in Rangamati. Zaya Chakma is the first Bangladeshi woman to become a FIFA football referee. A referee is a judge of football games and makes sure players follow the rules. This is a very hard job. The referee has to keep running the whole game, and it is risky when footballers get angry and disagree. But Zaya knows how to keep things under control. When Zaya was a little girl, sports was a big secret. Her parents had no idea that she was an excellent athlete. Then, one day, while reading the newspaper, her father saw her photo and read about her scoring the winning goal in a football game. She had a lot of explaining to do. Eventually, her parents agreed to let her play as long as she was good in school. The life of an athlete is very disciplined. Imagine waking up before sunrise to run laps and then rushing straight to class for a whole day of studies, followed by just a quick snack before hours of football practice. Zaya has been doing this same routine every day for many years. Focused and energetic, Zaya worked hard and played hard. She shone on the field and in 2008 was chosen for the national women's football team as a midfielder. But then, her dream disappeared in a split second. Zaya injured her knee and could not play for months. She understood that just one wrong move could end her whole career. And so, she decided to have a plan B and studied history. After graduating, Zaya joined the Bangladesh Football Federation as a referee and became a coach for a girls' football team at the Bangladesh Krira Shikha Pratishthan (BKSP). She became Bangladesh's first international female referee. In 2013, she judged her first international match in Sri Lanka, blowing the final whistle in the final between India and Iran. In 2019, Zaya passed the hardest referee exam in the world, the FIFA certification. This is a very difficult fitness and theory test at which only the best of the best succeed. You might see her referee a match in the next World Football Cup. She is also training her girls' football team. She does not believe that there is such a thing as playing like a girl or like a boy. There are good and bad players. Zaya Chakma's advice to all young footballers is to be very dedicated to the dream every single day and to study, and of course, to always play by the rules. The end. I think reading is important because it helps us develop our brains and is also very good for de-stressing. Thank you.